Hello and welcome to this short video. My name is Matt Hyland and today I'm going to take you through how we can model a fire tube and do a very quick creep assessment on that fire tube. Now I'm going to focus on the level 1 assessment today because again I want to make this quick and efficient for you using it. So what you see in front of you is our inspect program, and the very first thing that we're going to need to do is model the fire tube. So you very easily come to the file menu, or the component menu I should say, and select your cylinder. As you can see, the cylinder is going to appear in front of you. Now, I just need to set the conditions up, so I'm going to right click on it, and it's going to open up the component dialog. So I'm going to model an SA335 seamless pipe, grade P22. So I'm going to pull the material menu down right here, scroll down, and look for my grade right here. So I've selected that. Next thing I'll do, I'll put in the initial design conditions, so I'll change the temperature to 850, but we can adjust temperatures and pressures at any time with this as well. And I'll select post-weld heat treatment for this option. From here, I'll click Next, and then what I'll do is I'll select my pipe dimensions, so I'll just simply select the pipe or coupling, and I'll select a 6-inch standard schedule pipe, and I'll just change the length to 60, click OK, zoom in, and there's my pipe. So I'm good to go. There's my model. And we can do this with a full vessel or other fire tubes, anything like that. Now the next thing we're going to do is set up the creep assessment. So from here, go up to the API 579 menu, and you can see there's a full listing here of the different damage flaws that we can assess, and I'll select the Part 10 creep assessment. So here's your assessment. Now it's a pretty simplistic input. You can either put in single or multiple conditions for your creep range. We're going to stick to single, and then for this, if you've got any chromoly materials, you can select normalized and tempered, anneal. There's some material options up here as well. But all I'm going to do today is simply put in my excursion temperature. So we theoretically designed it for 850, but let's say we had it go up to 950. We're not sure. We just want to check it, and we know we operated in that range for 60 hours. Now there is an option to do a future expected duration in the event that you say I can't shut this down for X amount of time. We can put that in and say yes, you've passed or failed per the API 579. And there's some other options in here. If you know the future corrosion allowance or the loss, you can enter those in down here. Again, the point here is to do a very quick screening assessment. So I'll click OK. I'll switch this over to our rating mode, and we're good to go. All I have to do from here is simply click my F3 calculation button, and we're going to run a full report for you. And within seconds, you're going to have a full report here. So you'll have ASME compliant report to support your creep assessment, summary reports, and if you click on the creep assessment on the left here, here's your report. So there's no copying, pasting, nothing. Everything is contained within this report for nice, easy to read, and you can make the decision, run, replace, or repair. So you can see it passes. I have 25,000 hours left. And then all of the calculations are laid out for you as well in a nice, neat manner for you to either print off or store electronically so that future assessments can be reviewed, things like that. And to switch back to the model, simply click on the report icon and you're back at the model. And that's it. I've just done a level 1 screening on a fire tube very, very quickly. So if you're in the field, you're short on time, you can get these assessments done very quickly. Now, if you'd like to see more of what our Inspect program can offer, please email sales@codeware.com or give us a call at 941-927-2670.